Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and foolproof way to upload or change your profile picture on your Google account. This works perfectly in 2025 and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're setting up a brand new account or just refreshing your look, having the right profile photo makes your Gmail, Google Meet, and every other Google service feel more personal. Let's dive in and get this done step by step. Log into Gmail first, open your favorite web browser, and head to gmail.com. Sign in with the Google account you want to update. Make sure you're logged into the right email if you have multiple accounts. Go to Account Settings. Once you're inside Gmail, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a circle. This might have your initial or an old profile photo. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will open your main Google account dashboard. Find the photo settings. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on Personal Info. Scroll down until you see the Photo section. This is where you can add or change your profile picture. Click on it. Upload and adjust your photo. Now, click Add Profile Picture. A window will pop up giving you two options. You can upload a picture from your computer or select one from Google Photos if you have something saved there. Choose the photo you like best. Once the image loads, you'll get a simple cropping tool. Drag the corners to center your face or adjust the zoom until it looks perfect. Confirm your new look. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next. Finally, hit Save as Profile Picture. Your Google account will instantly update and the new photo will appear across all Google services: Gmail, Drive, Meet, and even YouTube. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've given your Google account a fresh, personalized look. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.